Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are good and taking good care of yourself. Today we are going to do one more activity. The activity name is saying the beginning sounds. I'm going to give you the objects and you have to tell me the starting letter sound. That is, for example, if I show you the picture of book. So what is the beginning sound? Which is the first letter of B? Book. It's B. So what is the sound of the first letter? It's B. B for B says B. Okay. So I'm going to send you some pictures and tell me what are the beginning sounds of that pictures. Okay.